As a chicken farmer, one of my big costs is electricity, and on this unit my average bill will be £5,000 per quarter. I had to look at ways of reducing my bill and looked at windmills, and decided on solar panels for the simplicity of them, lack of maintenance, and they're becoming more economical to fit. So went with Amber Green Solar and installed this unit back in September 2012. I went to a seminar in Enniskillen College in 2012 and met a few companies in the solar game, and they followed up by my inquiries with different aspects of solar prices, what they could bring me, what they could do for me, and I settled with Amber Green because basically they were doing a German panel, which I sort of wanted more than a Chinese panel. The other two companies that I got prices from were all installing Chinese panels. I knew a few guys that had put them on, and the benefits of the German panel, yes, they were a bit more expensive, but their longevity was going to be better, their output was better, so you pay a little bit more money, but you're going to reap the benefits in the long term. So this is a long-term game. We're looking at 20 years plus here, so I think it's worth investing that little bit more. They did the planning permission, they did the installation, they did all the... I got a grant on my installation. They went there, they put in the paperwork for that. They also contacted NIE to get my import-export meter, everything that was involved in paperwork, because basically I'm a farmer and I don't like paperwork, so they did all the paperwork for me and left me to do, all I had to do was sort of write a check and say thank you very much. The installation took a day. They came on site, put up scaffolding, and their men were very thorough. They didn't damage my roof. They put on protective layers to sort of spread the load when they were working on the roof. And as I say, they were in and out in a day. And yes, they were maybe the next day doing a little bit of wiring in at the meter board. My system was installed in September, and of course you're talking about coming into winter time, and daylight isn't that good, but my first electricity bill hadn't really changed much, but my last quarter, when I got the electricity bill in there at the start of April, the bill for this site was $2,800 plus VAT, so already I've saved £1,000 on my electricity bill. So it's and that's not even the summertime, so now she's going to come into her own and start really reaping the benefits from now on. As a farmer, and not just a chicken farmer, but any form of farming, whether it's dairy or beef, if you have an electricity usage and you want to reduce it, solar is a very easy, low maintenance. You just put it on, and that's it. You just walk away. There's nothing ever to do with it. You look at your meter ticking up, and you put in your meter reading every quarter to the regulator and get your rocks, and I think they pay it once a year, so there's nothing really. It's as simple as that.